got 2 more shows to do way up high, man. You definitely heard that one. The machine was bulletproof. It worked for you, and the crowd, were they behind you or what?
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. The crowd gets jacked up, gets us a little more excited, but those guys right there, they didn't leave me a whole lot to work with, and the officials wouldn't let us hit that big ramp yet. They still got, you know, it's a safety issue for the freestyle motocross guys, so, but tonight I don't care, all bets are off. I'm gonna hit everything out here, I don't care what they leave.
I'll tell you, that's one of many good reasons to come back tonight, is when he says it's on, it is on. Where's that Gravedigger sign that takes 3 people to hold up?